If you really want it, you'll make time for it, you'll get it. What does that really mean? That's what we're going to discuss today. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. If you haven't subscribed just yet to my channel, please ensure that you just go on over and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a vid. So I said, today I was talking to a soldier, my former battle, and I said to him, I said, he brought a situation to me, and I said to him, listen, if you really want it, you'll get it. I mean, there's no excuse. I'm not going to take any. And you're really just trying to convince yourself of some nonsense or whatever and be given a bunch of excuses, right? Now, I see that same principle applying to online marketing. If you really want to do online marketing, you'll just go ahead and do it. Hopping on here, watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos should not be the deciding factor in what you want to do or what you do not want to do, right? It got to be a place or the deciding factor should be from you. The motivation should be from you. If you're going to decide that you're going to do online marketing based off something that you see on YouTube, I can tell you right now, it's not going to go anywhere. This is something you got to be passionate about. Online marketing is not for everyone. It's something that you got to be passionate about. It's something that you got to be serious about. It's something that you got to decide to do. Like nobody else can decide that for you. Because one, it takes a lot. It takes a lot off you. It's a part of your lifestyle. So it's going to take a lot. Just like healthy eating. Right? Initially, you know, if you weren't a person that ate healthy from the get-go, your first rodeo, it's going to be tough. But eventually it gets easier and easier, right? The decision you made for whatever reason, hey, I'm going to eat healthy, you know, that decision, you made it for whatever reason. So don't hop on here every day and watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos to decide whether or not online marketing is for you. Don't do that. It's either you have that pull or you don't. It's either you want it or you don't. It's not about being on the ledge. You can't be on the ledge in online marketing. Because on the ledge, it means that you're not going to get anything done. And online marketing requires a lot. It does. So that is all I have to say today, guys. My videos are getting shorter and shorter or later and later because, you know, I'm getting ready to get out of here. So I do stuff during the daytime, more stuff during the daytime, and I want to put the video out to you guys every day. I made that promise, and that I'll do. The only way, you know, I won't get it done is if I really, really can't. Say, for example, I'm up in the air, I'm flying or something, and, you know, the Wi-Fi is not well or something to that effect. But I'll try my best to get that video out to you guys every day. Just remember, if you want it bad enough, you'll get it. There's no excuse. Please stop giving yourself excuses. Stop it. Just get on in it and do it. Hit that link down below for the affiliate marketing that I recommend. I recommend it. And you're watching my video. So there's something that pulled you to my video, or there's a reason for you to be watching my video right now. So try my link and see if it works. Thank you guys for hopping on. Remember, if you haven't subscribed just yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Share this link with your friend. Your friend might need to hear this right now. So go ahead and share this link also with your friend. And friend, if your friend just shared this video with you or this link with you, go ahead and subscribe also. and watch my previous videos. Also, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You already subscribe, right? Okay, so hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. I drop nuggets daily. Connect with me on Facebook and let's chit chat. I also have an Instagram account. Let's connect there also. I can give you pointers on Instagram if you're interested, or you just want to watch my page. Follow me and let's see how we gonna work this little thing that we got going on out. Leave a comment down below, guys. Leave a heart, leave a like, leave something. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up. You reach this far, still give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for hopping on, and I will see you tomorrow. As I said, daily vid every day.